Hello, Nicola Brochita, FX Doctor. I had to share with you this nice position this morning. This is Bitcoin M5 chart. Left shoulder head, right shoulder, measure from the top to neckline. Put it here. As you can see, as you know, price is always in 95% of cases going up to the neckline, and that happened here. And this was my sell position. As you can see, this is my take profit. It is $425, and my stop loss is $83. That's it. I wish you a nice weekend, and you are welcome to fxdoctor.pro to learn together, to trade together, and that's it. Goodbye, guys.